a single logarithm. Okay, recall in class that our rules for logarithms, there's really not a lot of rules, and one of them definitely doesn't apply, the change base rule. So we just have to remember that adding is multiplication, dividing translates into, subtraction translates into division, and multiplication translates into powers. So on this particular problem, looks like we have a log base 6, and we're trying to combine it into a single logarithm here. We can see that we have adding, right? The adding. So that means when we come down into the actual single logarithm, we're going to have a multiplication. And the two things being multiplied are going to be the arguments to the logarithm. So it would be 5x plus 1, and that's going to be multiplied by x plus 3. Okay? We also have multiplications, a 6 and a 1/2. So multiplications on logarithms become powers. So 5x plus 1 is going to be raised to the power of 6, and x plus 3 will be raised to the power of 1/2. And that's the final answer. That's a single logarithm made from those several logarithms. So pause the video and see if you can do this one. 2 log base c of w plus 5 log base c of x minus 5 log base c of z. Okay, assuming you paused for a moment and tried that out on your own, let's rewrite this using the distributive property. So I'm going to distribute through, so that way I'm actually doing 2 log base c of w plus 5 log base c of x minus 25 log base c of z. I feel like that will be easier because now I'm actually bringing it into a previous problem that I had done before. So if we try to set this up, we're going to have a log base c for sure, and we're going to have multiplications and divisions because of the subtraction sign. So I'm going to put a big fraction line in there so I have a numerator and a denominator. Notice that the log base c of w was positive, so that means it's going to be on top. It's a multiplication factor, and it's being raised to the power of 2 because that's the coefficient on the logarithm. The x is being raised to the power of 5, and it's also positive, so that's going to be here on top. And then the z is being raised to the power of 25, and because of the minus, it's in the bottom. So I'm going to go z to the 25th. And that's our final answer for this one.